Hello kids, and welcome back because it has been a minute. So last week I was thinking, I want to film something this weekend, and so I start planning. I thought about doing like a chicken, bean, and beef enchilada trio kind of casserole thing. Doing my research, I made out my grocery list, I had sort of framed it all together in my mind, and then Friday night happened, and so got a little carried away Friday night, as things happen, as one does. So yesterday, Saturday, I fell headfirst into a garbage pizza. So today, my body is like, please sir, could we please have some vegetables? So what I'm going to do is a chicken cauliflower fried rice with some good Asian spice to it. So let's get started with that. It's time for ingredient breakdown. Okay guys, here is what I am doing today. I've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've just sort of salt and peppered that. We'll be adding some sauce and stuff to it as it goes. We'll be doing some egg, mushroom. Here I've got some fresh ginger and fresh garlic, onion, green peppers, red pepper, some broccoli, some carrots that I've got to go, some rice cauliflower, some soy sauce, I've got some chili sauce, some sesame oil. This is new to the party, avocado oil. I'm seeing this absolutely all over the interwebs, so it's supposed to be flavor neutral, it's supposed to be the good fat, all that crap. And, quite frankly, when I compare the fat content to my olive oil, this is coming in a little bit high, but it is flavor neutral, and you will want a flavor neutral oil for this, although I've seen it done with olive oil. Sriracha, because of course, and let's see, what am I forgetting? I think that is it. Okay guys, I have my largest nonstick pan heating up on the stove. Now when you're doing a stir fry, I tend to always cook the proteins first. We're going to get a little bit of this avocado oil going on in there. Let that heat. So let's start with our eggs. 4 eggs, I have salt and peppered, and we're just going to do a scramble. Alright, stir fry is a really good way to kind of clean out the refrigerator, because we always, we go to the grocery store on the weekend, and we're like, oh, I'm going to be so healthy. I mean, come on, we all do it. We know we do it. So, what happens then is by the time Tuesday comes around, you're face first in a vat of mashed potatoes and gravy, because, come on, we all do that too. And anyway, this is a really good way to, cut carbs if you need to, because you can use the cauliflower rice like I'm doing today. You can get your protein in. You can use, just egg. You could do no egg. You can do shrimp, beef, chicken like I'm doing today, tofu, if you want to go totally vegetarian, whatever. Very versatile. And there's no rules to it. That's what I think is so cool. Use what you got on hand. Use what you have. Use what you like. Use what you got. And, yeah. So we're going to get these going. I kind of tend, for this, I like to have my eggs kind of a reasonably hard scramble. Reasonably. Not brown scramble. Because remember, let me get these almost there. These are going to go back in at the end. Alright. Get this back on the heat. You want it to be pretty damn scorching. A little bit more of this avocado oil. I hope this is good. And we want that to be scorching hot. Because up next is the chicken. Right, I'm going to add my chicken. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want, kids. And you will cook this all the way through. For some seasoning on the chicken, I'm going to add just a wee little bit of some soy sauce. We want to start building our flavor layers here, because right now all I've got is salt and pepper. Now if you found or had some Asian 5-spice, that would really be great with this. I don't have it, couldn't find it, and just wasn't going to make it to the international market today. So there you have it. We will make do. Okay, we're going to let this go, kids, and check back in here in a couple. Okay, guys, the chicken is developing some really good color. I'm about to pull it off. I will have to tell you that it did develop some liquid that I poured off. It's going to happen depending on the heat of your skillet and all that kind of, what's the humidity, whatever. Now, there is methods that you can employ to, start developing a sauce, like by coating the chicken in cornstarch and, kind of frying it up that way, and that helps sort of start like a really good stir-fry kind of glaze thing happening. I didn't do it because I'm lazy. Okay. So, off that goes, back onto the heat. A little bit more oil. And I am going to start with building my vegetables. So we'll do a little bit of this onion, get this going. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to let this go to about a translucent, you know the drill on the onions. Get onions everywhere here. Alright kids, next up we're going to add in kind of the broccoli and my red bell. And we'll let that, oh yeah, the carrots. Why? Because these carrots are getting to the point. Y'all know what I'm saying? Back to let this be a vehicle to clean out your fridge. For all those good intentioned veggie meals that you think you were going to do but didn't. Right. Now, I am going to add cauliflower rice because this, we're going in raw here. It's going to need to cook. So we're going to do that. And before I forget, get these shiitakes in here. This is when it starts to get, oh my God, I don't have enough room because I don't, and it's not a lot, so. And our garlic and ginger, which probably technically should have gone in right before I added the other veg, but okay. This is going to be good. Now, to this, I'm going to add little bit more soy sauce. I'm using low sodium here because this damn soy sauce will kill you dead. And I want a little bit of sesame oil, that, a couple of tablespoons maybe 1 tablespoon. This stuff is pretty potent as well. I think I got about a tablespoon in there or so. No idea where the protein is going to go in this. We may be switching pans, but life happens. The rice is starting to take on that brownish color like you get when you do the, the takeout fried rice, because yum, right? Okay, let's let this cook. Maybe it'll reduce down. I'll have enough room to get the protein back in it. If not, I'll switch pans. And we'll check back here in just a sec. So stay tuned, kids. Okay, we're going to try to get the protein in here. If I don't use all of it, I can repurpose it. So that's my egg. This looks amazing, guys. Eggy. I'll start getting some of my chicken in. Okay, now at this point, I love the sweet chili pepper sauce stuff, if I can get it, whatever. And at this point, I will marry this in here. I'm quite sure that this is not authentic in any way, shape, form whatsoever, but I don't care. I'm going to stir that in. Turn the heat off, and we're going to test this, guys. So guys, seriously, I started this at noon in prepping it, and it's now about 10 to 1. So I have done this in under an hour, and that includes like the framing and getting the camera right and cussing and all of that sort of stuff. This is simple, and I can't believe how easy it is. I don't know why I don't do this more often. Now we are going to test this. Test as in taste. Okay, now off camera I did put some of the fresh green onions or scallions into this, and I'm gonna top it with some yum. And then, sad to say, but true story, I am chopstick inept, which is a problem that I need to work on, personal goals. Because I do want to do some venturing over in Asia and where I want to go. I doubt seriously you're going to be able to have a lot of forks. Okay, you try to get the perfect bite with some of the rice and the, I mean, look at this, kids. Have you ever in your life? And my body is like, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, that chili pepper, this sweetness stuff, sweet chili sauce, right at the end, freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. There are levels of flavor in every bit of this, from the egg to the chicken we bounce that soy sauce on, to the veg. You can't beat it. Can't beat it. One more bite. Got lunch all week. All right? All right, kids, we're going to leave it there. Hope you like it. If you try it, leave a comment. Please subscribe. Come along for the ride. We're going to see you next time. We got holidays coming. Lots of fun stuff. Take care. See you on the next run.